Okay, what we're going to look at today is what happens after William wins the Battle of Hastings. Okay, so I've started with a picture here, and well, it's half a picture, and they're saying, "Congratulations, William, you've just conquered England." I want you to think about what might some of the worries William has when he's taken. What do you think some of the worries he has might be when he's taken over a new country? It's going to be a question appearing. I want you to write down what you think some of his worries will be. We'll check if you're right in a minute. Okay, let's have a look at some of the ones I've come up with. So I've got him thinking, how do I control a country as large as England? How can I find out how much money this country has, how rich it is? Is he going to have to fight anyone else? Are there people who maybe aren't too happy that he's in charge? How harsh is he going to be? How strict is he going to have to be to get the English to listen to him? And then at last, he's going to say, oh, what am I going to do with Harold's body? Okay, so Harold, remember, got the arrow through the eye. We saw that in the last lesson. So what's he going to do with his body? Now, today, what it's saying here, what does he have to do? He might have won the Battle of Hastings, but it would be very difficult to control a hostile country with a small group of soldiers, because England's a very big country, and while he has an army, they're not that big considering the size of England. And it says it's one thing to win a kingdom in a battle, it's quite another to hold on to it. So how is he not just to win the battle, but how is he going to keep control of England? How is he going to stay the King of England? So it says here William had to consolidate his power, and that's what this lesson is all about. How he consolidated power in England. So today what you should be doing is understanding what consolidate means, explain what he did to strengthen his power. Okay? Now, what we've got here, what does it mean? Consolidate can mean to bring together, so bring separate things together into a single or unified whole. It can mean to unite, combine. It says there to discard the unused and unwanted items of and organise what remains. And there's another one, to make solid or firm, solidify, strengthen. And then similar words, synonyms, are unite, strengthen, cement, secure, reinforce, fortify, build up. So what he's thinking of is securing his power, keeping hold of it, and making himself a strong leader. Okay, so it says here, consolidate can mean to bring together, to organise, strengthen. If your teacher tells you to consolidate your learning, what do you do? What do you think they mean? What do you think I mean? Okay, I'm going to ask you to write the answer to that question, and then we'll see if we agree with each other. Okay, let's see if you're right. So I think if you're consolidating your learning, it's making sure you know something really well, you're really confident in it, and your knowledge is really strong. Okay? Now it says here you can also think about something else you might need to consolidate. I won't pause for a question, but I bet you can also think of something else you might want to consolidate. Now, the question next is, when we talk about William consolidating his power, what do we mean? Now, we're going to go on to that in the next video, but before we do that, I want you, in the space that I've left in your class notebook, to write a definition of consolidate. And there's also a challenge question, if you're able to. Can you write your own sentence, any sentence about anything, using the word consolidate? Okay,